Hey everyone, Happy New Year and welcome to 2026. Last year was a transformative year for us. We officially evolved our parent company to Camera Intelligence, and our flagship device is now called Caira. A lot's been happening behind the scenes, so I wanted to take you through the incredible journey over the last few months. The biggest headline of Q4 was without doubt the launch of the Kickstarter campaign for Caira, our version 2 camera. But before launching Caira, we spent about 6 months doing lots of research and interviews and surveying with our community, but we also spoke with experts in the industry to see what hardware and software improvements we could make from our version 1 camera. The main hardware difference now is that the camera connects to your iPhone with MagSafe and is about 20% thinner and lighter. We also spoke to those people about the buzz around AI and what features and integrations could be interesting for us to explore. We see a big opportunity to use AI inside of the camera to streamline post-production workflows. And so the Kickstarter campaign was really positioned around this concept of an intelligent camera that acts as your creative partner to help you create beautiful content without complex workflows. We worked on 3 new flagship AI features: voice control, smart styles, and generative editing. And seeing our backers on Kickstarter rally behind our new vision for AI-driven cameras was really validating. This campaign wasn't just about funding, it was about proving that creators are ready for a device that merges professional optics with novel AI features. But before we could hit that launch button, the months leading up to the campaign were really intense. Firstly, we closed a round of private investment from a handful of British and American venture capitalists, and then we hired 5 new people into the team who've been really amazing. We then spent weeks refining our message to explain why we evolved to Camera Intelligence, and also our vision for integrating AI into cameras. We then went out to New York to do the filming for the main campaign video, which you can see in this video that we uploaded last week. This whole exercise involved a lot of fine-tuning to make sure that the world understood that Caira is being built as the camera of the future. To make the campaign a success, we knew that renders wouldn't be enough. We needed real hardware in people's hands. We worked with our product design team over at Ether Design to finalize the design for manufacturing drawings, and then we successfully manufactured a limited run of 50 functional pre-production units specifically for this Kickstarter launch. It was important to do this because it allowed us to stress test any issues with the hardware and software, but also with the entire manufacturing process. Seeing those 50 cameras lined up in our office was the first time that Caira truly felt real. We then sent those prototypes to some of the most respected voices in the industry. We wanted honest, brutal, and constructive feedback. So a huge thank you to Tony Northrup, Emily Lowry, Jimmy Cheng, Rashid Ahmed, and John Devo for putting Caira through its paces. Watching their reviews was a really special moment for us and the team. The feedback we received, not only from those creators, but also from their communities, has really been instrumental. And we're actively listening to everything that's being said to refine the final software and AI features before mass production. We were also blown away by the press coverage. We secured amazing features in Digital Camera World, Tech Radar, Petapixel, DP Review, and CineD. It was incredible to see major publications writing about our approach to embracing AI inside of cameras to help with content creation workflows. But some of the comments made by the creators and their audiences and the press were a bit spicy. So I'm going to be filming a reaction video sometime soon of some of the most controversial feedback, so keep an eye out for that. We understand that many of you are eagerly awaiting your Caira. With the Kickstarter funded and with the prototypes validated, our team is now working tirelessly to scale up manufacturing. And then we'll be dealing with shipping and logistics. We'll be keeping you updated throughout that process. This is just the beginning of our journey for Camera Intelligence. We're really excited about building the camera of the future, so thank you for believing in us and thank you for being part of this community. We'll see you in the next video.